Welcome to our second quarter Aliʻi Warrior Awards Assembly. At this time, I'm going to ask you guys to stand up because we are going to sing our alma mater. And the person that's going to lead us is our very own curriculum coordinator, Miss Lula.
We're going to get started. Our administration is going to add some simple steps to our alma mater. You got to go this. It goes like this.
Together. Together. Back. Okay, just like that.
Simple.
Just like this. Just like this.
Okay, is everyone ready? Okay, here we go.
Let's get it.
Hello, Koananakoa, alma mater dear, sing a joyful chorus, sound it loud and clear. Rah, 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 rally round the banner, we will never fail. Hail Koananakoa, our alma mater dear. Rah! Hey, good job!
All right, let's give a big round of applause for our two vice principals and our curriculum coordinator. You did a really good job. So today we honor you and your achievement. The Aliʻi Warrior Award is all about the 3 R's. Respect, responsibility, and resilience. And for those of you who are up here, I'm so proud of you. You did a really good job. For those of you who are not up here and didn't have a chance to come up, you have 2 quarters left. So no problems, just work hard. All right, so the awardees that come up here, they get a really nice certificate. Maybe you guys might want to show the certificate of achievement. Just like that. But if you open up the secret compartment, it has a certificate. Wow. Also, you get a McDonald's gift certificate. And of course, because today is all about our 3 R's, our core values, you receive 3 tags, 1 of each color. Right? Get excited, get pumped. All right, so I'm turning it over to Miss Lula, who is going to read the names.
Thank you. We are going to be starting with our 7th grade students. So first up we have Toby Chang. Okay. Next up we have Annie. Annie. I'm gonna fold it so I know who. Next up is Ryan Paxson. Okay, and then we have Jolene Day. Okay, next we're going to move to our 8th grade students. We have Nathan Chia. Next up is Sarah Takeda. Next we have Tyson Wong. Next we have Shooting Cow. Next we have Taylin Sisamath. And last but definitely not least, we have one more 7th grader. We have Anna Peng.
Alright, so this concludes our awards assembly for today. But before you go, guess what? We're gonna do our alma mater one more time, and I'm gonna ask Mr. Mew to come up and lead us. Let's hear it from Mr. Mew. Everybody stand up, and don't forget your moves.
Okay, ready everybody? And ready, go. Hail Kananakoa, alma mater dear. Sing the joyful chorus, sounded loud and clear. Rah, rah, rah. Rally round the banner, we will never fail. Hail Kananakoa, our alma mater dear.
Thank you very much, and teachers, you are excused. All right, everybody, welcome to our second quarter Aliʻi Warrior Awards Assembly. Today is a great day that we celebrate success. We have lots of pride for the awardees here today. But before we start, I'm going to ask you to please stand because we are going to be singing our alma mater. So please stand. Up here we have the words to our alma mater in case you don't know it, and then we're gonna do it twice. The first time we're gonna do it is we're gonna sing along, and the second time we're gonna add some steps to it. Very simple steps, right? So I would like to call up Mr. Lee to lead us in our alma mater for the first time, and then maybe we'll call up Miss Davis to do the second time. All right, let's keep on.
Are you ready, boys and girls? Okay, sing it loud and proud. Use your deep voices. Okay, Austin, play that. All right, VP Davis, you're up.
Yeah, good job. Vice Principal Lee. Okay, so we're gonna do it a second time, and the second time we're gonna add simple steps like this, like 1, 2, 1, 2. So super simple, right? 7th and 8th graders got it, no problem. So I know the 6th graders can get it too as well. If anything, better. Okay, let's practice it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can add your hands. You can add your hands like 1, 2, 1, 2. God, you guys look sharp. Okay, we're ready for the second. Yeah, let's give yourselves a hand. Good job. All right, since Miss Davis is not feeling, her voice is a little froggy today, I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, let's go for it. You guys ready with the moves? Okay, let's go. Hit it, Mr. Choi. Good job. Okay, thank you. That was fun. Okay, so now moving on with our awards assembly, which is what we are here for. Thank you to the awardees for practicing our 3 R's, which is our core values, which is respect, responsibility, and resilience. So you 4 did a really good job this year. Congratulations. Well, this quarter, congratulations. For those of you who did not have a chance to come up first quarter or today, don't worry, you got how many quarters left? 2 more quarters left, and you have 2 more chances to be an Aliʻi Warrior Awardee. It's hard. You don't get awarded for easy things, you get awarded for hard things. So I'm very proud of all of you. All right, so I am going to hand it over to Miss Lula, who is our curriculum coordinator, and she will be reading the names.
So first up, we have Caleb Hymick. Next we have Koharu Hase. Next up, we have Dominic Toretto. And last but certainly not least, Abby Kondo.
Alma mater, one more time, with our teachers meeting. So everybody stand up.
Hail, Kawananakoa, alma mater dear, sing a joyful chorus, shout it loud and clear, rah, 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 rally round the banner, we will never fail. Hail Kawananakoa, our alma mater dear. Rah! Yeah. Very nice job.
4. Hail, Kwananakoa, alma mater dear. Sing the joyful chorus, sing it loud and clear. Rock, 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 rally round the banner. We will never fail. I want to hear you. Last one. Hail, Kwananakoa, alma mater dear. Rock!